Hey, it's Tom. Today we're going to talk about the basics for installing molding. Miter box, back saw, stud finder, nail sets, tape measure, and trim hammer.
Remember, it's always a great day in the millwork business.
So, miter box. Use the miter box to cut your angles for your molding. It comes with some predetermined lines that'll help you install your molding. Stud finder. Use it to find the studs in the wall to place your nails so that your trim is secure. Oops, found the stud. Nail sets. Use these to sink the nail heads below the surface so you can come back and caulk and finish them. Tape measure. We're going to talk about tape measures in a future episode where we explain what all those little marks are. But for right now, just know that you need it to measure your walls. And then finally, a hammer. And that's what you need for the basics to install molding.